Who's coming to your party?
Gummy.
Who else besides Grammy?
Gummy.
Grammy and who else?
Gummy.
Who else?
Gummy.
Besides Grammy, who else is going to come to your party?
Say Gummy. A baby. Baby mine.
Baby Ryan's going to come. Who else is going to come to your party?
Day.
Daddy's going to be there. Who else?
Touch.
Todd is going to be there. Who else?
Fire.
Roger.
Water. A puppy.
And Boppy. And who else?
Puppy.
Yes, Boppy's going to be there. Who else?
Puppy.
Mm-hmm. Is Uncle Michael going to come?
Tanya.
Tanya? Yes, she's going to come.
A hat. A Mickey hat.
Mickey's going to bring his hat. Who else is going to come? Is Sadie going to come?
Uh-oh.
Is Sadie going to be there?
Jeez.
Is Kyle going to be there? And Logan? What do you think? Yes?
Good. Yes.
Okay. And is Jack going to be there?
Okay.
What? Jack and Brady?
Baby.
Are they going to come?
A Becco.
Is Aunt Christy going to come?
A come. A Becco.
Is Yaya going to come?
Yaya. Yaya come. Eddie come.
Who?
Eddie come.
Eddie? Yeah, she'll bring Eddie. Well, I don't know. Eddie might be busy that day, but we'll see. We'll invite him anyway. And, oh, is Jameson going to come?
Eddie. Come.
Is he going to come?
Eddie gonna come.
Daddy's going to come. Is Connor going to be there?
They gonna come.
Yeah, Daddy's going to come.
They gonna come.
Mm-hmm. How about Colin? Is Colin going to come? Huh?
Oh. Yeah. Shabu.
Okay. I love you.
I love you.